Githagathago kiria gikoretwo kigumiire urimi na mbundi ya kahua guku bururi-ini kiaya gukinya muthia thutha wa thirikari kwanirira mbundi njeru ya kahua. Minista wa iganda na wonjoria Peter Munya augite muoroto wa mbundi ino ni kwagirithia urimi wa kahua na gutigirira ni wagacira o hamwe na gutigirira murimi ni agurirwo kahua na thogora mwega.
So the most important point for us is to say really farmers to understand this is a new board, this is a new KPCU. And even the charges for milling, we have said they must be reasonable, lower than the milling that is going on in the private sector to make sure that farmers recoup their money.
Riu arimi mena wiathi wa gwitwarira kahua thothaiti iria itheaga mategweterera KPCU imathire. Munya ni eriire arimi marihi ma kahua kwambatira makiringithanio na mathothaiti ya andu kiumbe.
You don't have to have your coffee milled and then KPCU becomes your agent. You can also have come and mill your coffee there. You pay the milling fee and you take your coffee wherever you want to. We want this sector to be completely liberalized and transparent.
Oho arimi menagia gukunguira kuona riu thirikari ni irekereirie kigina gia ciringi bilioni 3 kuri arimi iria marioyaga ta ngombo niguo mahote guthie na mbere na urimi o metereire kahua kao gathio na thutha-ini magurirwo kahua mbeca icio ikarengwo. Riu watho na mitaratara ya uria mariamukagira mbeca icio ni gucabithio ngatheti-ini ya thirikari.
He has set aside 3 billion to set up a cherry fund that this money will be paid directly to the farmer. The farmer will have their own card, digital card, and the payment will be direct to the farmer. And then, of course, once the coffee is sold, then the farmer, the money is deducted from the farmer to replenish the funds.
Atongoria erwa a mbundi ino njeru matongoretio ni muikariri giti mweru Henry Kinyua ni meraniire guthondeka thoko ya kahua na njira ya waragania niguo arimi magunike na thigino yao itige kuragira thi.
If anything, we feel to be basically be driven by competitiveness, transparency and efficiency to make sure that the farmer receives what what is due to them.
Riu arimi a kahua menagia gukenerera thutha wa thirikari kurekereria kigina gia ciringi bilioni 3 cia kuhura njeki urimi wa kahua o hamwe na kwanira mbundi njeru irira mataga kahua guku bururi-ini mwihoko wa arimi ati riu kahua nigekugacira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ndi muciĩ munene wa Nairobi njitagwo Biũ wa Wambui.